like and subscribe to the channel in the next 10 seconds, or else, well, nothing is going to happen if you do not hit the subscription or the like button. But if you do hit either of those buttons, it will make my day and I would be very happy. So please hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the video. Yo, what's going on? It's the Little Big Gamer back with you guys for another video where today we're checking out Hypixel Skyblock again, and as you can see, I've got some upgrades. Hardened Diamond, Aspect of the End. It lets you teleport. It uses up mana, but it lets you teleport, and you also get a bit of a speed boost. And my current main way of making money is foraging and some minions. As you can see, this cobblestone minion, I was attempting to get like one of those compactor, super compactor 3000. So I started like I had a few cobblestone minions and I had some redstone minions, but then it took too long. I haven't even gotten a single like enchanted redstone block yet, and I just decided to give up on that idea and like just put a bunch of tier like 7 diamond minions that will produce way more money than any of these minions. So I began doing that, but then I was only able to make 3, and these are all level 4 except this one. This is level 5 and this is also level 5. If I make this one level 5, we have 3 level 5 minions, but I need to get a lot more. So now that you know what's going on, I'm currently trying to get a Runan's bow. So I have a skeleton minion working here, and I am currently, how far am I through in the collection? Yeah, I have 7,000. I've totally collected 7,000 like 300 bone pieces from actually the minion, and I need to get 50,000 to even unlock the recipe, and then I need like a lot of bones just to make the actual bow itself. But it is the best bow for dungeons in Skyblock, and because there's no aiming doesn't work in dungeons. I found that out the hard way today. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, after that long intro, let's get right into the video. So today I'll be showing you guys how I primarily make money. Like I already told you the first way, which is minions, and the second way is foraging. So to actually forage, you need to have a golden axe with efficiency 5. Efficiency 5 is optional, but it makes the process go extremely fast, and you can get it for, okay, I'm actually really confused. Why is this so expensive? It wasn't that expensive when I last checked. Wait, do I have efficiency 5? I do. Why is it so expensive? I only got it for like 10k. One sec, let me just check. Efficiency. Oh god, okay, make sure it's priced low to high, and then make sure it's in bin. You can only get these efficiency 4 books. Oh wait, I think that's a bunch of efficiency 5. Let me just check. Efficiency. Okay. Efficiency, that's efficiency 5. Okay, these are efficiency 5 books. You get them for about 12k, and just apply that onto your axe as well as telekinesis, so you don't get your wood stolen. And then you'd preferably get a haste 3 potion. To get a haste 3 potion, you have to unlock it through the coal collection, meaning you just go mine coal until you get the haste potion recipe, which you need 250 blocks of coal mined. When I mean blocks of coal, I mean coal ore. So just get 250 coal from the mine, not by buying it from the store. You cannot level up your collections by buying the materials from an NPC, the bazaar, or the auction house. So keep that in mind. Haste 3 potions aren't really that expensive. They don't need much. You just need like, first you need to get like a small brewing stand, obviously, and then you have to make it an awkward potion, which you need a nether wart for. Then you place a piece of coal to get haste 1, and then to get haste 3, you take these haste 1 potions and then you add an enchanted glowstone dust. Currently, enchanted glowstone dust goes for about 800 to 850 in price. So you get one of those and you can make 3, yes, you heard me right, 3 haste 3 potions. And per glow, like basically to make 3 haste 3 potions, all you need is one nether wart, a brewing stand, some water bottles, 3 water bottles to be precise, and then you need a piece of coal, and then you need 1 enchanted glowstone. So if you get all these, you can make, if I can actually find it, I can't clearly, but if I can find it, I'll show you. If you go like, if you finish crafting those haste 3 potions, you should get these, like I think yellow colored. Where are they? Yeah, I have one. I think, yeah, these are combat XP boosts. You get one. You get this colored haste 3 potion, and these potions let you mine faster by 60%. And if you want to lengthen the time that it takes for your potions to expire, you can add redstone, enchanted redstone, and enchanted blocks of redstone. Redstone itself goes for quite cheap, but enchanted redstone can go for upwards of 500 coins, and the enchanted blocks of redstone can go for 70,000 coins. And since, I mean, are you able to see me spending 70,000 coins on 3 potions? Obviously not. So I just decided to take the regular enchanted redstone and just make some potions. So I'm gonna brew a bit more, and then I'll show you guys the next steps for making easy money early game in Skyblock. Yes, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 haste potions. So basically I brewed 2 vats, like 2 rounds, and I do a lot of damage with my aspect at the end, don't I? I mean, it's not a lot compared to the other YouTubers that will do lots of damage, like 100,000, but currently this is good enough. So there are actually 2 ways to get these haste 3 potions, I'm pretty sure. One way is brewing them yourself, and the second way is, well, here, buying it from the auction house. So just have to search haste 3. That's 2. Haste 3. What? Does no one actually sell haste potions? Haste 4. Everyone sells haste 4 potions. And the cheapest you can get one is 75 from the auction house. But I think it costs like 70k. I think you need like an enchanted glowstone or something. So yeah. So you take these haste 3 potions, and then you take them with your golden efficiency 5 telekinesis axe. And first you have to figure out which is the most profitable type of wood. Foraging is when you take your axe, cut on a tree. The tree adds to your foraging XP. So foraging is the cutting down of trees, deforestation. It's totally fine in Skyblock because the trees grow back almost instantly. So you have to go to this woods and fishes, figure out what is the most profitable type of enchanted wood. So oak goes for 870 in the sell price, which is what you want to look out for. 870 sell price, 880 sell price, that's actually more profitable. 850, 400, that's sad. 500 and 790. So the most profitable type of wood for now is actually spruce. So you need to get for currently at the time of I'm making this video, which is like the 3rd of what day is it today? The 3rd of, okay, I can't remember the date because I'm stupid, but it's actually the 3rd of August. I just checked. I just couldn't not check. So basically, since it's spruce wood as of now, let's go to the spruce forest. To get to the area where you chopped down the spruce, just follow this road. Keep following the road, and then get to this like gateway thing. Then when you reach the gateway, you go to the park. And then when you go to the park, make sure there isn't a lot of players on the server. if there's a lot of players like this, I think I'm just gonna keep doing this until I get into a quite empty lobby. Okay, I was unable to get onto a quite empty lobby, but I found a lobby that isn't that crowded. So what you do now is that you just go to the spruce thing. Yeah, I'm in the spruce woods now, and just drink your haste 3 potion. And if you do all the steps properly, you can insta break. And I'll just do this for the remainder of the potion, and I would advise you guys to do it for at least 30 minutes, because my haste potion with enriched with enchanted redstone actually lasts for 16 minutes each, and if I drink 2 of them, I can make on average 70,000 profit. And I will tell you guys how much profit I made after this little cutting down session. Okay guys, after about 30 minutes of farming wood and spending 2 of my haste 3 potions, which have like 16 minutes each, I have this many spruce logs. I'm just gonna try to get like just enough for like 1 more stack. Actually, I'm just gonna buy that from the hub because I want to be able to make it nice and clean. Okay, I'm at my base. Let's quickly go to the lumber merchant and then buy 1 stack of spruce. Okay, this is better. So now I can just quickly do this. Boom. Now we have a stack and 1 enchanted spruce wood. And if I were to go to the bazaar, which you unlock through mining collection 7, farming collection 7, and foraging collection 7. But you can also sell it to this guy, and he'll give you 20k for 64 enchanted spruce wood. And this is how much I got in 30 minutes. So this is how much you could try to average. Like a stack of spruce wood would be like an average. And if I were to like make a sell offer for this thing real quick, 61,000 coins. That's how much I'd get when someone actually buys my spruce wood. Okay, I have finished selling everything. And if you don't count this, which costs around like 1,000, I got 63,000 coins in 30 minutes. So if you played for like an hour every day, just playing Skyblock and trying to get your money up, it will be quite boring, but you would earn about 126,000 coins every hour. So now you know that the title is not clickbait, and this is an easy way to make a lot of money in Hypixel Skyblock. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified about new releases from me, the Little Big Gamer. And I'll see you guys in the next one. But just before that, I currently have 100k in the bank, and I had 200k in the morning. Spent it on this aspect of the end, and let's check it out in the end dimension. Just kidding, end dimension is too hard. We will be going into the deep caverns, the obsidian sanctuary, because that's a very good place to farm. Okay, I'm ready to go into the mines. I have my combat XP boost because I'm doing this mostly to get a bit more combat XP, because I guess what, I have a set of dragon armor, protected dragon armor, and I can't actually use it yet because you need combat level 16, and I currently have combat level 13. I just need to kill like a lot more monsters, like maybe a few thousand more. I think 2,000 more monsters, like 2,000 more monsters in the obsidian sanctuary, that is. And if I kill that many, I should get enough combat XP to being able to use my dragon armor. And when I use my dragon armor, it'll be a breeze to fight in the end. And I'm gonna enchant my dragon armor to something that increases my crit damage, because I currently deal about 2,000 to 3,000 damage with the sword, which is not actually that bad, but it isn't that good either. So I need to figure out how to make it better. And I mean, like, I already got it. This sword is really good. I got it for half the price, and look how many enchantments it has. And I got it for 91k, which is incredible. The average price of an unenchanted sword like this costs 175k, but then I got it for 91 with some enchantments. I only had to add 2 enchantments, sharpness. Wait, the sword doesn't have sharpness. What? My sharpness is gone. I can't add sharpness to the sword. See, if I hit this thing, I can one-shot it. I can one-shot pretty much everything in this place. I think I can one-shot everything. So I'll be coming after I drink this thing, and I'll see how much combat XP I have. Oh my god, I just realized I had 64,000 coins on me. Oh my god, that could have felt so bad. How did I even remember that I had this much money on me? Oh, that's scary. But okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Sorry I couldn't actually show you how much I farmed, and I didn't even farm at all because I don't have much more time left. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified about new releases from the Little Big Gamer. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.